Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm doing this tutorial after a long time. Did you miss me? So today I'm going to show you how to do this simple glam makeup look. For this look, I'll be using only affordable products. If you want more affordable makeup tutorial like this, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to apply a primer. This is L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. You will need a good primer before applying your makeup. So I'm applying this primer all over on my face with my MAC stippling brush. And this is a matte primer, so this is perfect for oily to combination skin. After applying primer, I am going to color correct my face. For this, I'm going to apply orange corrector from LA Girl Concealer, and with my Zoeva buffing brush I am applying this under my eye area and around my mouth area where I have dark circles and pigmentations. If you have any other dark spots on your face, you can apply this orange corrector on those as well. Now it's time for foundation. Today I'm going to apply LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation and my shade is Warm Beige, and with this I'm going to mix LA Girl Pro Concealer and the shade is Pure Beige, and I'm going to start from my center part of my face and start blending this out all over on my face with my Morphe blending sponge. And by the way, my blending sponge is wet, okay? I never use a dry sponge. So this foundation is full coverage, but when I'm going to mix this with a concealer, this LA Girl concealer, my foundation becomes glue to my face and it stays all day long. So now I'm going to highlight my face with my Makeup Revolution full coverage concealer, and the shade is 6C or C6, which one? And I'm applying this under my eye area and just a little bit on my forehead, and I'm blending this out with my Morphe sponge. So here I'm using my Beauty Bakerie flower setting powder and the shade is yellow. This is basically a yellow or banana powder, and I'm just applying this under my eye area. It's gonna brighten up my under eye area. See the difference between these two? After applying this yellow powder under my eye area, I'm going to set my rest of the face with this Maybelline Superstay powder. This is a waterproof powder and my shade is nude. It's a beautiful powder, and for this I'm using my MAC powder brush. It's a very good full coverage powder for oily to combination skin. Now I'm taking these two brown shades from my NYX contour kit and I'm going to contouring my face. Yay! Because I have a pretty big, fat, round, circle, square face. My face shape is really weird. So yeah, here I'm contouring my cheeks. And I'm also going to contouring my jawline because I have a double chin. Yes, babe. If you don't have double chin, you don't need to contour there, okay? You're lucky. I'm not. And here I'm contouring my forehead as well. If you have a narrow forehead, you don't need to contour your forehead. And here I'm applying some blush from my Morphe 9B palette. And for this, I'm using my MAC angle brush. Yes, after this I'm going to apply my highlighter. Today I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter and the palette name is Gold. Oh my god. I'm going to mix this yellow gold and this silver color together, and oh my god. Look at the pigmentation. I didn't expect that. Trust me, I didn't expect that because this is just a 4-pound highlighter palette and the pigmentation, oh my god. You need to get this palette, okay? You need to try this palette if you are a highlighter lover like me. I'm literally so shocked right now, but anyway, I put too much highlighter on. That's why I'm dabbing my wet sponge on my highlighter, and look how glowy this is. Yes, babe, this is the perfect highlighter for me. Okay, literally I forgot to contour my nose. I don't know why I did that. Here I'm contouring my nose with a small angle brush, and I'm also going to apply a little bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose. And now I'm going to do my eye makeup with this beautiful palette called Ring the Alarm. This is the Vault collection from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration. So for this eye makeup, first I'm going to take this orange eyeshadow called Alarm and I'm applying this on my crease area. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this orange eyeshadow little by little and I'm going to darken up my crease area. This eye makeup is very easy. trust me. And then I am taking this dark brown eyeshadow called Secret, and with the help of a pencil brush I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. After this I'm going to take this eyeshadow called Framed, and I'm applying this on my lower lash line again. As you can see, it's a very easy makeup, trust me. And now I'm going to take this beautiful eyeshadow called Bomb Ass and I'm applying this beautiful pink shimmery eyeshadow on my lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. This is such a gorgeous color, but then again I'm going to apply this color called Boom. This is a beautiful bronzy color because I didn't want that pink eyeshadow on my lid, so yeah, now it's better. And after that I'm going to take this eyeshadow called On Camera. This is a golden eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply this on the middle part of my eyelid. And here I'm taking these two dark eyeshadow, Secret and Framed, and I'm going to deepen up my outer corner of my eye. And here I'm taking my NYX eyeliner. This is the matte one, and I'm going to do a long wing. And here I'm curling my eyelashes and I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara. Today I'm using my PS mascara. I bought this mascara from Primark. This is just a £2 mascara, very good one, and yeah, it will give your lashes volume. And here I'm applying this mascara on my top lashes and on my bottom lashes. After this I'm going to apply a pair of false lashes. They are from Primark as well. Look how beautiful they are, but they're very natural. And now I'm going to apply a brow mascara. This is from Maybelline and the shade is dark brown, and I'm applying this on my eyebrow so my eyebrow will stay all day long. By the way, I have done my eyebrow beforehand, you know, to save some time. Now I'm going to spray this setting spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Supreme Hold Finishing Spray. This is a very good and long lasting setting spray for oily to combination skin. After applying this setting spray all over on my face, I'm going to apply my lipstick, which is Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipstick, and the shade is Tiramisu. And this is quite a pink type of color, that's why I'm going to mix this with my Huda Beauty Bombshell Liquid Lipstick. You can apply any lipstick of your choice, it doesn't really matter, right? And here my makeup is done. So this is my final look. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what kind of tutorial you want to see next. And you can also follow me on all of my social medias, which are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. All are Shahnaz Shimul. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.